Are you broke? Are you wondering how you can be financially well? Kumusta, budget buddies? I'm Aris. And in this video, we're going to talk about how to achieve financial wellness even when you're feeling or are actually broke. First, it's important to recognize that being broke is a temporary state, and it's possible to work your way out of it with a little bit of effort and planning. One of the first things you can do is create a budget. This will help you understand exactly where your money is going and identify areas where you can cut back on expenses. Look for ways to reduce your monthly bills, such as by downgrading your phone or internet plan, or by canceling subscriptions you no longer use. You can also try to increase your income by taking on additional work or looking for opportunities to earn extra money, such as by selling items you no longer need or offering your services as a freelancer. Another key to achieving financial wellness is paying off high-interest debt as quickly as possible. This can help you save money on interest charges and free up more of your income to put towards other financial goals. It's also important to save for emergencies and the future. Even if you don't have a lot of money to spare, you can start by setting aside a small amount each month. This will help you build up a cushion to fall back on in case of unexpected expenses or to use towards longer-term goals like saving for retirement. Finally, don't be afraid to seek out resources and support to help you get back on track. Consider speaking with a financial planner or counselor, or looking for community resources or programs that can provide financial assistance. Remember, achieving financial wellness is not an overnight process, but with a little bit of planning and effort, you can work your way out of being broke and build a stronger financial foundation for yourself. Enjoy your financial wellness journey. Are you going to try any of these? Let me know in the comments. If you haven't yet, do consider subscribing and hitting that bell to get notified whenever I upload new videos. See you in the next one.